Transform your morning coffee into a weight loss and health boost with Coffee Slimmer Pro. Are you tired of feeling bloated and sluggish after drinking your morning coffee? Well, the Coffee Slimmer Pro is here to change that. This innovative product is made with all-natural ingredients that help to boost your metabolism, suppress your appetite, and cleanse your body. One of the main ingredients in the Coffee Slimmer Pro is green coffee bean extract, which has been shown to have weight loss benefits. It also contains Garcinia cambogia, a natural appetite suppressant, and green tea extract, known for its fat-burning properties. And the best part? You can still enjoy your morning coffee while getting these benefits. Simply add the Coffee Slimmer Pro powder to your regular coffee and start seeing results in just a few days. So, if you want to feel slimmer, healthier, and more energized, give the Coffee Slimmer Pro a try. Order yours today and see the difference for yourself.